Hey everyone, Julio here with JZ Digital. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to be doing some welding today. I'm going to show you what I got going on so far. As you can see, the 450 tore down. Here is why. Little surprise for you guys. The moment we've all been waiting for this bad boy. We're going to be putting on some Warrior risers, but we're also going to be putting on the rad relocator. As you can see under here, there's no radiator. Fan wasn't working. The radiator was clogged up. You can see we're also dismantling the 570. I've already taken some parts off of it. So if you guys want any of these parts and you're close to me, or if you don't mind paying for shipping, let me know. Drop it in the comments what you're looking for. Got a rear diff that's really good. I've got the rear shaft that's also still in good shape. The front diff is in good shape. I'm actually taking the shocks off of that one and putting them on the 450. See how it rides with the shocks. I'm gonna take all the brake stuff off of that, put it on that. That's pretty much it. Today we're gonna be working on some welding. No, I don't know if I dropped that video yet, but we picked up a welder. May weld some racks or some bumpers for the 450. All right guys, today's project is something not related to four-wheelers. My dad actually has this cargo carrier. He wants me to build some kind of a guard for it. He's got a minivan and he likes to put this on the back so he can carry gas cans, and that's all really he uses it for gas cans. But he wants a wall he can still put the gas cans on and they won't fall over. It's nothing fancy, but I'm practicing, so he said, hey, can you do this for me? So we're gonna see what we can do to this. I'm gonna make it 14 inches maybe. We're gonna be using old bed rails. My dad had some laying around. I'm gonna start off by cutting off two 14 inches going this way. Well, I'll be dang. 14 inches high. We're gonna get two of these. Measure twice, cut once. Look at this. Even on this side, not on this side. Perfect. All right, we're gonna put one here, one over here, the long one, maybe one in the middle. Sturdy base is better. First we're going to clean up the edges, get some welding juice. Alright, you want to make sure you get a good clean area to work with. I think I'm gonna put it on the outside, boys. Ooh, I like that better. Yeah. All right, so all right, I'm gonna start on this side. It's gonna be on your knees. Get you a pad. This one's from Cornwell Quality Tools. Thanks, Wayne. Let's do the other side. There. Don't need that anymore. God, somebody. Let's go to the other side, do the same thing. Try to get all this rust off. Try something a little bit different this time. There's a lot of paint on this, so all I did was take the paint off the front and back, so when I put the clamp, it's got something to make good contact on. And for down. $14 and a 16. All right, glasses off because everything looks dark. Welded the sides on. Now I was just thinking maybe we should go ahead and just weld that part. Let's do the same to the other side because we didn't. Alright guys, let's take a look at the weld. Not too bad. Not too bad. This one's an ugly one. I had my sunglasses on under my helmet, but look, that one came out pretty good. That one came out a little bit cleaner. There you go. Not too bad. Going on to the second part. Maybe just a rod from there to there. He did say he wanted a 45, but if it doesn't need it, we're not going to do it. Let's just see how that one comes out. Let's measure it. All right. 61 inches. He said something about an angle to keep it from, but this ain't moving. But maybe he wants something, and I got that. So, inside. All right, boys. Ain't going nowhere. All right, guys, let's take a look at our finished product. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. All right, guys, so let's check them out. This one's not too bad. For all you welders out there, tell me what I did wrong. Why is this so high? See, that one's not that bad. The end was a little bit. Do I need to speed it up? Do I need to slow it down? Tell me what you guys think. Is my helmet too dark? I can barely see what I'm doing. I don't know what happened there. What would cause that, guys? That's a pit for sure. These are the projects you need to do in order to get good at welding, or better at it. Will it hold? I'm not sure. We'll find out. What could I do different? Comment below. All right, guys, so tell me what you guys think about it. I'm gonna try to clean it up a little bit, maybe scrape everything off. but for the most part, we're just practicing is going to make us a lot better. So remember these welds. If the channel gets big, remember these ugly welds, and just think that it's going to take some ugly welds like this in order for us to get some real nice ones in the future. So go ahead and give me a like, thumbs up if you like this kind of content. Maybe we'll switch the channel over to some fabrication, maybe do some stuff for the four-wheeler. So all right guys, this is the final product. Did I just defeat the whole purpose of the weld? Is this holding since I grinded it all down? Let me know. Right here I did the same thing, ground all the excess off. Is this still a good weld? Is it going to hold because I ground all that excess stuff off? Just trying to clean it up a little bit. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. See if my dad will like this. That's what he wanted. Actually a little bit easier to hold. Get out, guys. Probably could use a little bit more paint. I'll let him take care of that. He's got a lot of time. Catch you on the next one. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Give me a thumbs up, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.